Imagine having an extra $1,000 or more each month to pay off bills, save for the future, or treat yourself to something special. Now trust me, it's possible to make this amount through Airbnb short-term rentals. That's why in this video, I want to walk you through 6 steps you need to make $1,000 per month with Airbnb short-term rentals. One of the best ways to start earning extra income is to become an Airbnb host and rent out a spare room or entire property for short-term stays. With the right strategies in place, it is possible to make $1,000 or more per month through Airbnb. Also, stay until the end because I will reveal my greatest hack in acquiring an endless amount of Airbnb customers. With that said, here are 6 ways you can make money with Airbnb short-term rentals. Number 1. Research high-demand areas. The key is to rent out your property in a neighborhood that is popular with tourists, has a lot of amenities nearby, and has a good public transportation system. These areas are more likely to have a high occupancy rate, meaning more bookings and more money for you. But how do you find these high-demand areas? To do this, you can start by looking at which neighborhoods are popular with tourists, have a high concentration of restaurants, bars, and other entertainment options, and are well connected by public transportation. You can also look at data from the Airbnb website or other vacation rental platforms to see which areas have the highest occupancy rates and revenue. This can indicate a high demand for housing in the area. Another is checking local newspapers and online news sources for information on new businesses and developments in the area. Finally, talk to local real estate agents and business owners to get their perspective on the most in-demand areas in the city or town. Believe me, they know a lot of things you don't. Number 2. Optimize your listing. Optimizing your listing is an essential step in ensuring that it stands out among the thousands of other listings on the market. Focus on the quality of your photos. High-resolution, well-lit images that showcase your property's best features are essential for attracting potential buyers. They should be taken from different angles and include any unique features or amenities your property offers. A detailed description is also crucial. It should provide a comprehensive overview of your property, including the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage, as well as any updates or upgrades that have been made. Make sure that your price is competitive as well. This means researching similar properties in your area to see what they are listed for and adjusting your price accordingly. By taking the time to optimize your listing, you'll be able to attract more buyers and increase your chances of selling your property quickly and for a fair price. Now, did you know that a new Airbnb host typically earns $3,900 every single month? That's mind-blowing, right? That's why a goal of $1,000 per month is completely achievable. So if you want more information like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and of course, turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And now let's go to number 3, extend additional assistance. If you want to significantly increase your revenue and differentiate your property from others in the market, offer additional services. One popular option is to offer breakfast as an add-on service. This can be as simple as providing a continental breakfast or as elaborate as offering a full hot breakfast. This is a great way to provide added value to your guests and make their stay more enjoyable. Transportation services can also be a great way to generate extra income. This can include airport pickup and drop-off services or even transportation to local attractions or events. Another service that could be offered is the provision of rental equipment such as bicycles or kayaks to guests interested in exploring the area. Finally, consider offering concierge services such as booking reservations at local restaurants or recommending things to do in the area. All these services can help to make your guest stay more comfortable and enjoyable, which can lead to positive reviews, repeat customers, and ultimately help you to increase your revenue. Keep in mind that these additional services should be provided at a reasonable price and should always offer value to the guest. Moreover, it is vital to make these services clear, and you must provide information about them on your website to attract the right kind of guests looking for these kinds of services. Number 4. Utilize seasonal pricing. When you're starting out, it's easy to think that the only way to make money on Airbnb is by renting your place out year-round. But there's a better way: seasonal pricing. Seasonal pricing allows you to charge a premium during peak seasons when demand is high and supply is low. Utilizing seasonal pricing can be an effective strategy for maximizing your earnings as a property owner. The idea is to raise your prices during peak travel seasons when demand for your property is high and lower them during slower periods when demand is low. This allows you to take advantage of the natural fluctuations in the market and increase your revenue. For example, suppose your property is located in a popular vacation destination. In that case, you should raise your prices during the summer when demand is high and lower them during the fall and winter months when demand is lower. Consider raising your prices during holidays too, such as Christmas and New Year, when people are more likely to travel. Another important aspect is to track demand patterns such as events or conferences happening in the area and adjust your prices accordingly. Flexibility with your pricing strategy can help you fill last-minute vacancies by offering discounts or special deals. Remember that the pricing strategy should be tailored to your property, location, and target market. Ensure that your prices remain competitive and that you are not pricing yourself out of the market. Take my word, seasonal pricing can help you maximize your earnings and attract the right guests for your property. Number 5. Keep your property well maintained. The truth is, if you want to make $1,000 per month on Airbnb short-term rentals, you need to make sure that your property is well maintained. It's as simple as that. If your guests are staying at a place where everything is falling apart, they're going to leave bad reviews and tell all their friends about it, and then no one will book with you again. So how do you do this? I can offer some suggestions. Have a deep cleaning of all your rental areas, including bathrooms, kitchens, and shared spaces, as well as regular dusting and vacuuming. You should also ensure that all appliances and equipment are in good working order and that any necessary repairs are made promptly. Regularly update your property in terms of its appearance and amenities. This can include painting the walls, replacing old furniture, or updating the decor to make your property more appealing to guests. While you're at it, consider adding new amenities such as high-speed internet or innovative home technology to make your property more attractive to guests. Inspecting your property for any repairs or maintenance needs is also an excellent way to keep your property in top condition. This will help you to identify and address any issues before they become significant problems and can affect your guest experience. By keeping your property well maintained, you can attract repeat guests who appreciate the cleanliness and comfort of your property. It will help you maintain the property's value and ensure that it stays in top condition for many years to come. Remember, good communication with your guests and having a good maintenance team can also make a big difference in maintaining your property by addressing any issues or concerns quickly and efficiently. Number 6. Manage your calendar. It's actually a simple equation. Airbnb equals money, but you need to manage your calendar to make that happen. You can't just sit back and wait for the money to roll in. You have to be proactive and make sure you're putting yourself out there as often as possible. Keeping your calendar up to date is crucial for ensuring that you are maximizing your occupancy and avoiding double bookings. So what does this mean for you? This means regularly updating your calendar with any new reservations, cancellations, or changes to availability. One way to do this is by using property management software, which allows you to manage your calendar and reservation requests in one place. This can help you to stay organized and ensure that you are not double booking your property. Property management software can also help you automate the process of sending out reservation confirmations and invoices, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Here's a hack that never gets old. Respond quickly to reservation requests. Be available to answer questions, provide additional information, and process reservations promptly. This can increase your chances of securing a booking and make reserving your property more convenient for guests. What's more is that you should be flexible with your calendar to accommodate guest needs and preferences. You have to be willing to make exceptions for last-minute bookings or offering discounts for more extended stays. Trust me, by managing your calendar effectively, you can ensure that your property is always fully booked, which will increase your revenue and help you to run a successful property rental business. The bottom line is this: making money with Airbnb is not just about renting out your space. It's also about putting in the hard work to build a great listing, attracting quality renters, and managing them effectively. If you want to make $1,000 per month renting out your space, try these tips and let me know how it goes. So, are you ready to make money from Airbnb short-term rentals? Leave your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. In fact, if you want to learn all about rental arbitrage and how to make money without owning property, watch this video next where we'll break it down step by step. So click the video on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next one.